What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. So of course I choose to do a video on one of the hottest days here in New York City. It is about like 102 degrees outside right now, and us as New Yorkers, we cannot handle the heat. Like, we don't know what to do, and it's just typically just so humid when it gets so hot. So I apologize if I'm going to be sweating or keep patting my face or look oily or greasy, but it is what it is, and I did want to do a video for you guys on today. So this video is going to be like a haul slash catch up video and what's been going on, and I want to show you guys like a lot of the new stuff that I've been buying because I am going to Mexico in about 2 weeks for a friend's birthday, and I had to go shopping for that trip specifically because, you know, since I've been going to the gym a lot, I've been losing my weight, and like all the old clothes from last summer does not fit me. They're way too big. I'll make sure to link everything that I talk about in the description bar down below, so go ahead and make sure you check that out. And if you guys always have any questions, let's have our comment parties down below. And I'm pretty sure I showed you guys all of this stuff in my last video, but I did want to go ahead and show it to you in this video as well. So I've been using a lot of the Fresh Rose Hydrating Cream. I absolutely love this face moisturizer. And of course, I've been loving the Drunken Elephant or Drunk Elephant products. So I did go ahead and pick up this Virgin Marula oil that is really good. And last but not least, I do have like problems with my under eyes, as you guys can see. Like, they're lightening up like pretty well. I did say, like, if they're not, like, you know, lightening up, or if they still keep giving me problems when I'm turning 30, I'm gonna go ahead and get those taken care of. But so far so good. Like, you know, it's at base, so I'm fine with it. So this is the C Tango multivitamin eye cream that I have here. So I usually typically use this in the day and in the nighttime, and it's been working really well. As you guys can see, I am like sweating. Oh my gosh, I am sweating a bullet, and I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this video done. I've been hearing a lot of great things about Shiseido. I actually asked one of my skincare friends out there, her name is Chanel, and I really typically don't know a lot about skincare. I just know what I know, or I just do my research, especially with Sephora. So she's been telling me that the Shiseido Sun Protection 50 SPF is amazing, but I'm thinking this may not be enough. I'm thinking I'm gonna go out there and buy another one because I'm gonna be in the sun all day, and I want to make sure I don't come back burnt as a toast. I want to be like glowing, not like burnt. So let's take a little sweat break right now and pat that sweat on. Like I said, I sweat a lot. So the next items I'm going to be showing you guys are candles. I think I showed you guys one of these candles already. This is the Diptych Miami candle. It is only sold in Miami as what I know. So one of my friends went to Miami, and I told them to go ahead and pick me up this because the one that I got, I already burnt it and it smelled so good. So I decided to get another one. So here's how it looks. Like, even the candle is sweating. Like, isn't that funny? Oh my goodness, I really love this one, and I cannot wait to burn it. Let's throw that away. The next two that I got is one is from Diptych, and it is the larger one. So now this is my fourth larger candle. I'm looking at them right now. So I have the base, I have the Feu de Bois, I have the Figure, I think. Is it Figure? I don't know what the orange one is. Now I added the tuberose in my collection, and I just need the last but not least, the green one. I've just been collecting these, and when I'm ready to burn it, you guys already know I'm obsessed with candles. If you guys been following me since day one, I am obsessed with candles. And lately I've been loving rose. Like, this one smells magnificent. Oh my goodness. This one smells so freaking good. So here's how it looks, and let's open it together. This one I believe costs like 90 bucks. It's the bigger one, but it is all good, and here is how it looks. And oh my goodness, this one name is called Tuberose. So I cannot wait to burn that one. And last but not least, of course, I had to pick up this candle. It is by Rado, and I've been really feeling roses, like I said, as of lately. Like, look at this. This is ridiculous. So here's how it goes. And how do you open up this one? Oh, you pull out the sleeve like this. I don't want to rip this. Oh, here it goes. I haven't done unboxings in a really long time. And also, what do you guys think about that elevator music by Rado? I don't like it. My friends love it. I got a sample of it, and I still really don't like it. But let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think? Like, look how it looks. This looks kind of crazy. Oh, I guess it's kind of black on the inside. And here's how it looks. Oh, I love this. Look at this. By Rado, Burning Rose. Bam. And that is about it for candles. So next from H&M are another pair of swim trunks. I got this in like a orange and white stripe one. I really do like this one, and I think it's gonna go again well with my skin tone. They had this sort of tank top there, a little cheapy tank. I think this cost $4.99, and I got a size large in it. So I really like this one. Actually, it's gonna go well with everything that I have picked out. My color tones are gonna be neutrals, like creams, a lot of greens, grays, cool tone colors, just because that's just the type of person I am, that I like. Oh, this is really disgusting. But I did order the Yeezys, what is it, butter colors or butter or whatever, butter Yeezys, but they're not going to be here in time for my trip. Hopefully they are, because those were going to be my sneakers that I was going to be wearing, and I was just going to get another pair of black sneakers, but I don't know what I'm doing now. If you guys have any suggestions on sneakers to take or to get, leave them down in the comment section down below. Again, I don't want to go designer because I don't want to draw that sort of attention to me or my friends. I just want to be a cool, dope trip. Next are these pair of shorts. I was thinking about taking these back. They cost $24.99, and I only wanted to take them back because I don't think it complements my skin tone as much as the other ones, and I just think that it looks like a little duty type of green. So I was gonna go back and maybe get a different color, or I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know that down in the comment section. And I think this is the last item from H&M, and it is another pair of swim trunks, and it is in this reflective silver color way. This one cost $17.99, and I really like this one because I have a pair of flip-flops that I'm gonna be wearing for the trip, and it's gonna go well with these. I'm thinking about photo worthy, and I have some other shorts from H&M coming, but again, you know, they're gonna get here when they get here. So that's about it from H&M. So the next item that I want to show you comes in this sort of box. You already know what it is. 1,000 billion people already had it on their channel, but I really wanted one, and I was just like, you know what the heck, let's get one. They only had this color in the store, and I was just like, you know what, whatever, wrap it up and give it to me. But I don't know if I want to take these yet. Nico, just shut up and show you guys the product. Nobody cares about it. And they did come in a little tissue paper, you know, but I just took them out, and they are these sort of, let me see if it's gonna come up, these purple and a pink. I don't know if it's pink or if it's red. Gucci pair of socks. These retail, I think, for $120, which is ridiculous for a pair of socks, but I wanted it and I didn't care. Yeah, this is, I think it's hot pink or fuchsia and purple, and I got a size M9, as you guys can see right there. I don't know. It's a pair of Gucci socks that you guys have all seen before, so it is what it is. Next up is from Zara. I really wanted one of these sort of islandy, open, Hawaiian shirts, I guess you guys may call it. So this is the only colorway that I like. The others were hideous, and you guys already know with Zara, it is a hit or a miss. Here it is. It is this sort of palm tree, lightweight, I'm pretty sure it's polyester type of shirt. One where you just don't, like, you just like probably couple of buttons. You probably button a couple of buttons, and it's just very loose. And I think it's gonna go really well with the pair of shorts that I showed you guys earlier. I don't know, but yeah, it comes in like this sort of colorway. It's like peaches, and this is dope. I just love this shirt, so I can't wait to wear that. And last but not least is this big old package from Alexander Wang. I did order a couple more things from them. I can't wait for it to come in. Again, I'll probably do Instagram stories or whatever I decided to do. I don't know if I want to do another video, but I definitely will be vlogging the trip. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that bell next to the subscribe button if you guys want to see my adventures. But I bought a lot of things from them. Let's just start pulling out. Again, I'm very much obsessed with socks. Like, socks are becoming my new thing. I don't know why, they just are. So I picked up these. This is from, I guess, the new collection. Their socks cost $45, which is better than the $120 on the Gucci socks. So it just features this Wang, you know, in their famous, infamous barcode, and it is white and navy blue and red. I got these pair of shorts that I cannot wait to wear. They are just in this black, you know, wool, I guess you want to say. And here's a little pattern on them, as you guys can see or cannot see. There is a little pattern towards them. You guys, this little sweat line is looking worse and worse, so I'm just gonna cover that up like this because this looks real terrible. Real terrible. So boom, you guys can't see nothing now. Let's continue. So I bought this gray sleeveless muscle shirt. Again, I've just been feeling these sort of muscle shirts, so I've been loving my arms lately. I've been, you know, working out, you know, look at that little muscle, as you guys can see. So I bought this little gray one. This one cost there's no price tag on it. I'm pretty sure it costs expensive, or it's probably, I don't even know the price. I'll leave everything down below. And then next I picked up this slub sort of muscle see-through shirt, as you guys can see. This one cost 90 bucks. I picked this one up in a size large. They didn't have the medium. I really wanted the medium, but I just picked the large because they didn't have it. Here is the next pair of socks. So as you guys, if you guys didn't know, Alexander Wang did a collaboration with Trojan Condoms for Pride up in here in New York City. So they have these protect your Wang sort of socks. These socks again cost $45, and I think 50% of the proceeds go to a charity. I don't know which charity, but they said 50% of the proceeds do go to the charity. So I felt like, why not, and go ahead and purchase up these socks. And when you did buy them, they gave you a bunch of these. I'm not even gonna say the word because I don't know if I'm gonna get flagged for it, but they gave you a bunch of these things. So I got a bunch of them. So make sure you guys protect yourself every time you go out there and go and have fun. Next I got this sort of U-neck or V-neck shirt. Again, I've been, stepping outside my comfort zone. I never go like deep V, but I feel like, you know what, why not? I've been working out, so I can want to try that out. You guys, I am so hot. I'm not even kidding you. Oh my gosh, it is so hot. You guys have no idea. So I want to hurry up and get this video done. Then again, I got this plain white shirt from Wang. It costs, again, I don't even know the price of this shirt, but again, I love Alexander Wang t-shirts now. I think they're actually one of my favorite t-shirt brands out there, because you guys already know previously I did love Acne, but Acne right now is way too thick. If I was outside with an Acne t-shirt right now in this heat, I would be drenched and sweating. I'm gonna sweat regardless, but I would be drenched really in Acne t-shirts. Who else makes great shirts? It's Acne, and Velvet, and Vince t-shirts are really good, but Alexander Wang are now one of my new favorites. So I totally forgot that I had one of these shirts, and I went out there to go ahead and purchase another one, and it is my favorite classic sort of gray Alexander Wang t-shirt. These cost $80. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it. Just when I do, it is what it is. So that is everything. So that's all the items that I have to show for you guys today. Definitely let me know down in the comment section down below which one of these items are your favorites. What type of t-shirts are you guys rocking in the summertime? Are you guys traveling in the summertime? Where are you guys going? Let me know all the good, the bad, the ugly that I did in this video. And again, I apologize for the sweat, so please don't read me in the comment section about how sweaty I was, because I'm here doing this video for you guys. After I come back from my trip, I do definitely want to be more consistent with my videos. I plan on uploading every Monday as usual, but just hold me accountable to that, because I am traveling, but I still want to go ahead and do videos for you guys every single Monday. Definitely hit that subscription button and that bell to be notified every time that I do a video. And actually, everything except for those Gucci socks was under $90. So actually, I'm not breaking the bank with all this stuff, even though it's like a lot of $90 items, but still, it was bought over a period of time. Let me know if you guys do like my haul videos, but I definitely am going to list everything down that I can find in the description bar, because I definitely think you guys should have some of these items, especially the shirts. I'm gonna go ahead and turn back on my AC and edit this video, and I am dripping sweat and nobody wants to see that. But I hope you guys have a nice, beautiful, airy, cool day. Peace. Bye.